Now that we know how to add a chart to the worksheet, let's learn how to customize it. First, let's add a title to this chart. Just by looking at the chart, we don't understand what it stands for. Click on the chart to activate it. Let's click on the Layout tab. In the Labels group, we have Chart Titles drop-down menu. Click on it. Here we have a few options with description about what each option does. Let's choose this above chart option. Now you can see a text box is added at the top of our chart. To add a name, just double-click on the text box. Delete chart title and type chocolate. Click off the text box. Click on the text box again. And this solid border appears. We can add some effects to it. Click on this Format tab. In the Word Styles group, click on this button here to see more options. When you move your mouse pointer over these various options, we get a preview. Let's click on this one here. Instead of typing the name manually, you can link the chart title to a cell so that the title always displays whatever is typed in the cell. Click on the chart title. Remember not to double-click. If you do so, you will have to type the name manually. Now, let's click outside the text box to deselect. Click on the chart title again. When this solid line box appears, we can enter our formula. Put an equal sign, and you can see the equal sign in the formula bar and not in the text box. Now, let's click on this cell where chocolate is written and press enter. You can see that chocolates that is written in the cell appears as the title. If we edit whatever is written in the cell, the title changes automatically. Click on this cell and let's type sales. You can see that the title of this chart changes automatically. You can even change the color and give some effect to these bars. First, let's activate the chart by clicking on it. Now, click on the Design tab. In the Chart Styles group, you have these various options. When you take your mouse pointer on any of these styles, the name of the style appears at the bottom. Click on this button here to see some more styles. Let's click on Style 26. It has a 3D effect to it. Now, the bars don't look plain and boring. Scroll down. Let's modify this chart. Click on the bar. When you do that, small circles appear at the corner, and this means that this particular chart element is selected. Press Ctrl and 1. This is the shortcut to open the Format Data Series dialog box. Let's move the dialog box. Take your cell pointer to the title. Click and hold the left mouse button to move the dialog box to a suitable position. Click on the Fill button. Click on the Gradient Fill. You can see a gradient color has been applied to the bar. And if you click on Preset Color, you can choose various colors as well. Let's choose the Ocean option. You can change the gradient by dragging any of these gradient stops. Click on Picture or Texture Fill option. Here, click on Texture drop-down menu. Choose this paper bag option. And similarly, you can apply various textures. Click on the Pattern Fill. By clicking on these various patterns, you can apply it to the bars. This axis where we see the months written is called Category Axis. Let's see what we can do to this axis. Let's click on it. When you see these small circles at the corners, it means that it is selected. Click on the Alignment option. The box next to Custom Angle represents the angle of text. Click on the down arrow. And you can see the text rotating. Keep the down arrow pressed till it reads -35 degrees. Click on the Close button. Let's add some formatting to the title box. Click on the title box. In the Format tab in the Shape Styles group, click on this button to see more options. Let's choose this one here. Scroll up. We have a 3D chart here. All the bars here are not clearly visible. Let's rotate them a little. Click on the chart to activate it. Click on Layout tab. Here you can see an option for 3D rotation in the ribbon bar. Click on it. Here you have an option to rotate the bars in X and in Y direction. Let's now change the X-axis degrees. Change the Y-axis rotation to 30 degrees by clicking on the up arrow and perspective to 0.1 degree by clicking on the down arrow. The charts look better now. Let's close the Format Chart Area dialog box. Now, let's work with legends. Click on Legends located here. Let's increase its size. You see the square? Just click and drag to increase the size. Click on Format tab. Let's click on this button to see some more options. Select this one here. Scroll up and select the stacked chart here. Click on this empty space in the chart. Click on Format tab. From Shape Styles, click on this option. This concludes our tutorial on customizing your chart.